Hello, everyone. I am Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me, decorating on a budget. Now, in today's episode, I'm doing a quick cleanup early in the morning of my family room. So I thought I would take you along and show you that it doesn't take that long to make a room look good. So let's get into it.
I failed you so many times. I committed so many crimes, and I was pretty sure of myself. You gave me reasons to be somebody else. Baby, I'm home again. I thought that I could run away, run away. I had nothing more to say, more to say. I was pretty sure of myself. You gave me reasons to be somebody else. It's alright, baby. Here I am. I was lost. Now I'm found again. It's alright, baby. Here I am. It's alright, yeah. 'Cause baby, I'm home again. The love that we had wasn't good enough, and I wasn't fine with the way it was, and there was nothing else you could have said, 'cause I had reasons to be somebody else.
Never stop exploring. There's always something new at the end. Don't forget to like, comment, and share.
It's alright, baby. Here I am. I was lost. Now I'm found again. It's alright, baby. Here I am. It's alright.
Now here's the final result of the quick clean in my family room. Tell me what you think of the quickness of it all down below. You know I enjoy reading your comments, and as always, I will catch you in the next episode.